What's up everybody? In this video I will show you how to connect your Catizen application with the OKX wallet and how to withdraw it. So for that the process is very simple. Go to the Earn section. In the Earn section there on the top right corner, click on three dots, and in the menu just click on connect option. So once you do it, there will be an pop-up portal where you can see multiple wallets in here. Go and click on view all wallets option. Here you will see OKX wallet option in the second row. So just go and tap on it. Once you do it, it will redirect you to the OKX wallet, and the OKX application will be open up. So once the OKX application is open up, you can see the connect wallet option on the bottom right corner. Just click on it and wait till the approval. Just go and confirm it and verify your identity using fingerprint, face ID, or any passcode that you have. So that is how you can connect your wallet with your Catizen application. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.